To control blood sugar, it's important to know which foods contain carbohydrates. Carbohydrates include sugar and starch. There are many foods with carbohydrates that are very healthful, but people with diabetes have to limit how much of them they eat. Some people think that you only have to limit sugar to control blood sugar, but that's not so. Starches turn into sugars in the body, so they also affect blood sugar levels. Foods in the grains food group contain starch. These foods include rice, wheat, oats, corn, barley, and quinoa. There are some starchy vegetables like green peas, corn, potato, sweet potato, pumpkin, winter squash, and legumes. There are many crunchy snacks that contain starch, like potato chips, pretzels, crackers, and popcorn. Some people think that whole grains like brown rice don't contain carbohydrates, but this is incorrect. Whole grains do contain more fiber, but their carbohydrate content is basically the same as refined grains. There are also foods with sugar, both natural and added. Fruits like oranges, apples, bananas, or mangoes contain natural sugar. Some people think that because fruits are healthful and natural, they don't contain carbohydrates, but that isn't the case. They are more beneficial to the body than junk food, but it's still necessary to control the amount that's consumed because of the sugar they contain. Dairy foods like yogurt and milk contain natural sugars also, but when milk is processed to make cheese or butter, basically all the natural sugars are removed. And of course, desserts like cake, cookies, ice cream, pudding, and donuts contain added sugars, and sometimes starch as well.